Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Worklog works in ZeuZ. From the project menu, click on Worklog. After opening this page, you will see your worklogs. You can also select multiple users or choose a different user to view their worklog. Then, select your milestone. If you do not want to select a milestone, you can search by date range or, for example, I can search for today. Here, I can see today's time spent, total time required, workload items worked on, overdue items, incomplete items, and two graphs showing the total time spent and the remaining time required for these tasks. Here, you can see all my tasks. I can view the time spent, time left, end time, start time, and the status, whether it is overdue, started, or completed. I can also sort the data in different ways. I can view yesterday's or tomorrow's worklogs, filter by a specific status, or filter by a specific workload. For example, I can view only test case worklogs or tickets such as bugs, tasks, requirements, and more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.